Step into the 2019 Kia Sorento. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 3.3-liter six-cylinder engine. Kia prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a trip computer, turn signal indicator mirrors, blind spot sensor, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Kia ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.